the day has finally come. This community has the power to change my life, not just my life, but our lives, because it's about unlocking massive value by bringing VAs together in the most thoughtful and impactful ways. I am Altamay B. Abelgas. I work as a billing specialist. My journey with the daily training was awesome and a life changing. I want to highlight our daily breakout room because it allowed me to share my reflections and learn from my co VAs. I'm sure I'm gonna miss it. One thing that is left in my heart with all the pieces of training is to say who I am. Be confident in who I am. I am not here in the world to please everyone, but I am here in the world to be an exceptional by teaching the mind, touching the heart, and would be able to help transforming the lives of the people that I am surrounded with. The training benefited me so much personally and professionally. It helped me to improve my focus and productivity, enhance my emotional regulation, and greater satisfaction and fulfillment. Day by day, I can practice a positive mindset. Through this training, it led me to increase my overall satisfaction and fulfillment in both personal and professional life. As a trainee, I learned to appreciate progress, achievements, and meaningful connections. Overall, this training has profoundly helped me to thrive personally and professionally, fostering growth, resilience, and emotional well being. To my client, Kelly Soza, and to my team, the accounting team of Incline Alchemy, words are not enough how thankful I am to be the part of the team. I am blessed beyond measure to have a very kind and thoughtful client. Your satisfaction and your trust are my top priorities. You inspire me so much with everything that you do. Thank you as well for making my days, my weeks, and coming months as bearable as possible, and providing me with all the assistance that I need to learn to be effective and complete my tasks efficiently. Thank you so much. Of course, to my co-VAs, my breakout room buddies, and my co-Visaya VAs from Mindanao and Visayas. Thank you for all the learnings and reflections we shared. You all rock. Always remember that God loves you so much. You are enough, you are exceptional, you are worthy, and you are special. I love the Phyllis Song community because of Boss Phyllis. Because you love me for who I am and what I am capable of. There's nothing more powerful than this community because I am in the right group of people who get it and support you through it all. I love that I can be honest and vulnerable about the challenges that I may encounter in my life and get real advice and lessons.